Hello everybody. Today we will see how to find a prime number, or the number we want to check whether it is a prime or not. I'm going to create a small function for that. First of all, I just wanted to explain what are the prime number. Prime number should be a number that is divisible only by itself and number 1. Like this way, numbers means starting from 2, 2, 3, 5, 7, so on. Those kind of numbers are prime numbers. So my function is name of the function prime number. Prime number checker is nice. Prime number checker. I need an argument here later. I need a boolean variable and a for loop. My boolean variable is I give a name like prime true for I use a range function here. So I just guess you already know what we can do with a range function, or if you are a beginner, I will just explain shortly. If I print the answer of result of this for loop, print num. I just wanted to call this function first of all number. I will give a random number, kind of any number. Okay, so if I run this code, you can see the result. I enter 9, but it gives me from 0 to 8, this kind of sequence. If I enter any kind of number, I just enter some kind of if I enter 4, it gives me 0 to 3. Then you can understand what is the art, how can we get the numbers, which kind of sequence of numbers we can get with using with the range function. There are two things. If I want a prime number should be divisible only by itself and number 1. It means I don't want to check divisible by the number which I entered. I just wanted to check with these other numbers less than that number, right? Another thing is I don't want to check with 1 and 0, right? It means I just wanted to start with 2, right? If I type here 2, it give me the range like this way, right? From 2 to 3. If I enter 4, if I enter another number like 7, it gives me 2 to 6. It makes sense. Then if I enter 7, I will first check with 2, and then 3, then 4, then 5, and 6, like that way. If I enter another number like heavy number like 20, start from 2 to like this way. Okay, checking whether it is a prime or not. Okay, now we will start to write the logic here using if condition. If number divisible by num, which is num is this range. equal 0. If it becomes 0, this boolean variable should be now it is true, it should be false. Always it should be opposite. Prime equal false, else, sorry, here missing colon, else prime equal true. Another thing is, if it is become false once, I don't want it to check again and again. I just wanted to leave this from this for loop immediately. Then this should be a breakpoint. So I wanted to break from this place, and I just wanted to go outside of the loop. Outside of the loop, I will create another function. If prime, this is the answer, print, prime print, it is a prime number, else print is not a number. If you want, you can enter that, you can display that the number you entered to check like this way. Sorry, right? It can be more nice. It can be nice. Right. Okay, now we can check again. We have entered already 20. 20 is not a prime number. If I enter one number of this sequence, like 7, I enter 7. Yeah, 7 is a prime number. If I enter another number like 3, it's a prime number. Another thing is, we can do, if we can't always type here, we can put input function here, input function here, enter a number. But the thing is, input function always gives string result, string output. In fact, I have to convert this to int, right? Equal to variable number, checking, right? Checking number here. Okay, this is because of indent, this is space, right? Now we can run the code. Yeah, we can write down here now. 3 is not a prime number. Then we can run with any kind of big number like this way to check it's not a prime number, right? Then if I type something prime number, 19 should be prime number. Yeah, it is a prime number. So it's done. Job is done. This is the code. It's very clear. There can be thousands of ways to find the prime numbers in Python. So this is on one of way. So you can think, if you think differently, you can find another way. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you learn something new, or if you find something new, you can like my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you again.